ReStore accepts most items that you could find at Home Depot and Menards. Tools, building materials, appliances, cabinets, and then furniture, any type of wood furniture. If you have an upholstered furniture item, we need to see a picture of it first before we can let you know if we can accept it or not. The donations have changed a little bit with COVID. More people are spending time at home, so they're having time to go through that room of things that they've had or their basement. They didn't have the time to go through and look at it and see, is it something I'm going to keep or is it something I'm going to donate or toss? We can have anywhere from 50 to 80 drop-off donations a day. So when you're getting in line to drop things off, just be patient with us. When you come to the store, you'll drive up to our donation site, stay in your car. Please wear your mask when you're in your car. The person that comes to your car to talk to you is going to have a mask, so you're not going to be able to see their smiling face, but they are smiling behind the mask. The donation person will come up, ask you what kind of items you have, and then they will take them out of your car. Then they will give you a donation receipt, and you're free to go. We offer a free pickup for any donors that have either a large item or a large amount of items. So for instance, you might have a refrigerator, but you don't have any way to get it here. You might have a full kitchen cabinet set, and you can request your pickup on the website on the request pickup page. The items need to be accessible for the day of the pickup. The drivers don't go into the home to pick up things. They pick them up from the garage or driveway. Then once your pickup is complete, we email you the donation receipt.